Definition of double crimping in connector cavities. Definition of double crimping. Double crimping occurs when two circuits share a single connector cavity, causing improper connections. Violation of wiring standards. Sharing one connector cavity by two circuits violates establishes wiring standard and guidelines. Potential circuit conflicts. Double crimping can cause electrical circuit conflicts, leading to malfunction or safety hazard. For example, we have this connector of for cavity. This definition means, for example, we have the circuit one go from the ends one to the end two, right? And we have cavity two, same case, end one to end two. We have the circuit three, and so on, circuit four. But double crimping means the same circuits go to the N3 to the same cavity at the N2. So this condition is unacceptable. It's an error, okay? So now let's take a look simple word chart. For example, this is an example of bar chart. We have the circuit name, node 1, the device, the terminal, node 2, the device. This is the pin connector or the cavity, like here, and the terminal. And we have the sales option, GPC CJ70. And this is the derivative or part number of the harness. Like, can you see these two part number have the same circuit, except this one. This one have only two circuits, okay? So double crimping says, for example, these devices, the E2456A, have four cavities. Cavity 1, cavity 4, cavity 3, cavity 2 in the node 1. And in the node 2, we have another device with the same cavity. Pin 1 and 2. Pin 1, cavity 1. Go to pin 2, cavity 1. And pin 1, cavity 4 to pin 2, cavity 4, and so on. But what happens is we have this, for example, 3. Why? Many reasons. Fingertip error, bad design, DF5 incorrect, schematic is incorrect for some reason. You have these conditions. So with this, we are telling the circuit P866 and P867 ports go to the same cavity number 3. So that is incorrect. Is we can find this error in the manufacturing stage, it's going to cause a really problem. So this is a simple wire chart with only 6 circuits, right? And For avoid this mistake in the design phase, I, I have this macro. This macro goes through the Excel sheet where all the circuit connectors, pins, and sales options are listed. Identify circuits and connector. Each look of each circuit and check which connector in cavity pin location is belong to. Check for conflict, double crimping. If two different circuits are assigning to the same connector cavity under the same cell option, that means both will be crimping into the same place. This is a double crimper error. Macro automatically detects these cases and highlight the problem in color reds. When it finds double crimping, it's marked the problematic cells in red so they are easy to see. It doesn't just check one part number, it analyzes all sales options and logical conditions like and, or, not operators to ensure every possible configuration is validated. So, in other words, the macro is like a mathematic checker that reviews the entire wire chart to find cases where two wires will mistakenly be crimping into the same cavity and flags them in red. The same time introduce human error when validating harness. Let me show you how it works. Suppose we have this condition and nobody see it, or you are not sure if your wire chart is the correct. Well, with this macro, we can run this macro, highlight the crimps, run, double crimping detection completed, rows with double crimping are highlighted in red. So if you see the color red in your wire chart, you need to invest or investigate what happened. There are only six circuits. It's very easy to do it. Is you filter your your column and you can see this is the double crimping. This is bad, and you need to verify the design with the DRE or with the other co-worker for see what happened here. Is that correct or what happened? And because have the same options, so this macro save time and reduce human error. But what happened is the word chart is more complicated, have many circuits. It's not gonna be easy. Even you filter manually, maybe you can don't see the double crimping very easy. Well, this macro do the job for you. Simplify the work.